Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. We're at Bill Thomas Camper, and check it out, 2027 Grand Design Imagine. This is a 2600 RB and very nice travel trailer. Pass-through storage up front per usual. We have tandem axle, and then we also have a single burner cooktop. Button that up. Here we have the steps into the RV, and then there's the 2600 RB badging. We do have the docking station on the off-camp side and your dog leash, or pet leash I should say. As we step up inside, like these new hooks that I'm seeing on Grand Design with spring-loaded. Nice deep cabinet here, place to hang up clothing, your power, your JBL stereo. We have theater seating with cup holders, USB plug-in right there, right across from the flat screen TV. And also check this out, very nice setup, nice and deep. And then you have this pull-out drawer and a second one, and then you have your fuse box below that. Soft close with a magnetic closure. We have, I think I mentioned the USB. We also have a U-shaped dining area. The table is easy to pull out. It also drops down for sleeping. Microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop. And check out the depth of this drawer. So, and then you can put these in to secure your pots and pans. Very, very nice. And then you have this nice sized cabinet here underneath the sink. Freezer on top, refrigerator on bottom. I'll get to the bedroom in a second. I do want to show you the bathroom. You have a nice window on the back to you let in fresh air or exhaust that hot, moist air. We have 4 cubbies right there on the side of the shower. Nice sized shower with a hand shower wand. Let's head back into the bedroom. So we have cabinets and drawers on both left and right. You can see there. We also have cubbies with residential and USB plug-ins. We have a pass-through cabinet that you can see right there, your HVAC, your TV backer location, as well as your plug-ins. And then you have this nice farmer's door, barn door that closes up for privacy. So again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Any comments, questions, leave them below, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.